This might be the best FPV travel charger kit for you. When you travel with FPV, you're always looking for ways to downsize your equipment, and one of the heaviest items you have is your chargers and your batteries. I think I've found the most light and compact way to travel your lipos whilst you're traveling as an FPV pilot. What I've got here is a Toolkit M60 500 watt dual lipo charger. Pair that with a 100 watt U-Green USB charger. Connecting the two, we've got a USB-C to XTC cable, capable of providing 100 watts. There's a little bit of magic inside the end of this that steps up the voltage from a normal USB to 20 volts. Finally, if you're traveling, you need a universal adapter. So you'll simply plug your 100 watt U-Green charger into your universal adapter, plug the USB-C into one of the 20 volt plugs on the U-Green charger, and then the XT60 into your Toolkit RC M60. Now it only provides 100 watts of power, so it's not designed for FPV racers or even commercial shoots where you need to charge lots of lipos. But as a travel kit, this is more than enough power to charge two 6S 1400 mAh lipos at 1C at the same time. And if you're like me, traveling with only 4 to 6 lipos, charging 2 at a time at 1C is almost always enough. This means you no longer have to travel around with big transformers or large cables, and most likely the U-Green charger can pair as a charger for all your devices. Now that almost all devices use the USB-C, it makes it way easier to travel with one charger. The beauty of this USB-C cable is that it can be used with other chargers and even power banks. I've got this 20,000 milliamp U-Green power bank that has a 100 watt USB-C output, which in an emergency situation, I can charge about two 6S lipos for my 5-inch. All the links for the products are provided below. If you plan to travel for a long time, I'd recommend getting a couple of USB-C to XT60 cables, just in case you lose or break one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.